The purpose of this training is to show you how to illustrate an error or a correction or an addition to the program that you might want. In this case, I'm going to illustrate an error. I've created an error on this screen, and I'm going to show you how to do a print screen and document that to assist us in knowing exactly what you're talking about. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and so this will probably allow us to have a 2,000 or 3,000 word document compressed into something fairly small. This tool can also be used if you're trying to discuss an idea. You'd like a new report, or you'd like something to be changed a little bit. In this case, I've got a screen up, and I put a plant in that I'm going to be transferring, and I click my post batch, and I got an error. What I'll do now is I will press the print screen key on my keyboard. That's the key that it says print screen, and it also says there may be something else printed on it too, but it's up in the top right corner of your keyboard somewhere. So if I press that key and then I open a Word doc, here's the key, what to do with that image. I open a Word doc and then I paste. I can either do a right-click paste or Control-V, and it will paste the image that I collected. In this case, that little error message is really not enough information. So I'm going to slide my document out of the way again, get rid of the error message, and then I'm going to capture this entire screen. So I'll hit the print screen key again when this is the dominant window. Now when I come back over to my Word doc, I can just simply hit my paste key again, and it will paste in the screen, and then I can explain error found when posting batch. Something like that, and this is my post batch. Now if I want to get really fancy, what I can do with my Word doc is I have a little editing tool down at the bottom. This particular tool is this particular edit toolbar is called the drawing toolbar. So if I turn the drawing toolbar off, it goes away. To get that back, I turn on the drawing toolbar. Then what this allows me to do is if I click an image, this other toolbar that pops up at this point, that's called the picture toolbar. The picture toolbar has editing tools. So I'm going to grab this little crop tool right here. Now again, you don't need to do this, but if you want to, I can crop this down a little bit smaller and make it look something like that, and then stretch it. And then I can use my drawing toolbar and grab an arrow and point here. So if I want to put arrows in the thing, or if I want to grab a circle thing here and say, well, if I circle that, and then I can go down here to my descriptions of that, I can make that circle, I can make it red, and then I can say, oops, I do want a line. I want no fill, but I do want a line. I want the line to be black. So something like that. Anyway, you can get as fancy with this or as simple with this as you prefer, but if you show me a picture like this, I know exactly what you're talking about, exactly which screen you're referring to. It's fairly difficult to explain in an email, but if you attach this little Word doc to an email, we've got it. We'll get right on any little error or update that you prefer. So this is our hint for the day. Thanks.